Testing. This is a test of the Sony Lavalier microphone with the M Audio FastTrack USB Audio Interface. Same settings as were on the Mac. Mic input to max, mixed 0. Mono output pointing at the power indicator light. This is a test of the Samson handheld microphone just outside of the view of the camera. There's a lot of noise in this room, so we'll see if Adobe elements of the narration record with the lavalier microphone. And the windows are open, door is open, a lot of traffic. This is a test of the Samson handheld microphone recording narration in Adobe elements. The windows are open, people are walking around, a lot of traffic noise.